Students, today I'll explain you question number 10 of exercise 9.1 height and distances chapter is there in NCERT. That name is some applications of trigonometry. Okay, question 10, what it is saying that two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road which is 80 meter wide. So first we'll draw the road. This is the road and they are the poles. Of equal heights. Okay, that heights are equal. Then these are the pole, two poles are there of equal heights and distance between them is what? 80 meter. That is 80 meter. Two poles of equal heights are standing poles on other side of the road which is 80 meter wide. Road is 80 meter wide and pole are standing on both and another side of the road. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. So from here, that is the what? That is the 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay, and from here, that is the 30 degree. This angle is what? 30 degree. Means ki from this point, this is the point, suppose that this is AB and this is CD. AB, CD are two poles and in that the P point is there, that is the point P. At the P point, from their angle of elevation is 60 degree and their angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. Means we have to find the what is the distance from this point to this pole and from this point to this pole. Okay, so we can take let this pole means PB be x. Let PB be x. Then what will be? This will be 80 minus x. Means from the point P, if the B is what? X meter, then the 80 minus x meter will be what? That because total is 80, so 80 minus x will be what for this one. And pole height be h. This is h, this is h. Let height of pole be h meter and distance from point P, one pole is x meter. Therefore, distance from another pole will be 80 minus x meter. Okay. Now see that this is the x meter, so this is 80 minus x. Now there the two right triangles are forming, triangle ABP and triangle CDP. In right triangle CDP. What is that? Their relation between this and this we have to find. This is 80 minus x and this is what? CD. Tan 30 degree. Because the perpendicular and base relation is there, therefore we will take the tan theta equal to perpendicular on base. So tan 30 degree, theta is what? 30 degree. Perpendicular is what? That is the CD and the base is what? DP. Tan 30 degree value 1 upon root 3 and CD is, that is we have taken as the h and dp is what? 80 minus x. dp equal to 80 minus x. This length is what? 80 minus x. So h root 3 equals 80 minus x. Okay. This value in the from the first, it will helpful to solve that in the second. Now in triangle, in right triangle ABP, again the perpendicular and that distance is there, relation is there, perpendicular and base. Tan 60 degree equal to AB upon BP. Tan 60 degree root 3 and AB equal to what? H, and BP is what? X. Okay. Therefore from here H will be what? X root 3. H will be what? X root 3. That will be cross multiplied. So from 2 we'll put the value of H in this equation. Okay. From 2 value of H put in equation 1. What will get? In place of H write down x root 3. So x root 3 into root 3. X root 3 into is there. That is the multiply. Into root 3 equal to 80 minus x. That means this will be 3x and plus x equal to what? 80. 4x equal to what? 80. Therefore x will be 80 upon 4. Or this will be what? 20. X value is what? That is 20. Okay. Therefore h will be 20 root 3. So we have got the height of the pole. Height of pole we have got, that is the answer. We have taken the h as that. Height of pole will be what? 20 root 3 meter. And distance from one pole, that is the x is that 20 meter. 20 meter. And distance from another pole will be what? That is 80 minus x we have taken. That will be 80 minus 20 will be 60. So this answer we have got. Okay students. So how we have solved this? We have solved. First we have taken the what? That pole, and then after this is the road. Width of the road is 80 meter. The one pole is what? That is the x meter. Then another pole will be what? 80 minus x. And then after we have taken the what? The trigonometric ratio 10, because the perpendicular and base relation we have to find. One triangle we have taken, therefore another triangle. From another triangle I have taken the value of x, h, and then put it here, and then we have got the x value 20 meter, and then h equal to x root 3, therefore 20 root 3. So height of the pole 20 root 3 meter, and distance from one pole will be 20 meter, and another pole will be 80 minus 20, 60 meter. Okay. In this way we will solve this. Okay students, thank you.